Hands off, General Ntatla Mkhonazi, hands off. No, thanks very much, comrades. My name is Fighter Spusiso Ngubane, also known as Zlamlilo, who's currently serving as the Chief Mobilizer of Hands Off Ntatla Mkhonazi March. So today we have gathered here in Carisfontein as the youth command of the EFF to say we are in support of General Ntatla Mkhonazi of the work that is doing within our province. So General Ntatla Mkhonazi is one of the outstanding policemen who are doing absolutely well on his job and is executing his duty as a man and as a father and as a citizen who's responsible of everything that is happening as a policeman. So as the youth command, we've decided today we are going to have a march in support of him. So the march is going to start here at Carisfontein, move straight to SAPS headquarters in KwaZulu-Natal, where we'll be giving the memorandum of demand to say they must do everything they can to remove all the allegations that are being posed by IPS or for General Ntatla Mkhonazi.
So they are here to ensure our city we're having a peaceful process and we are safe and we are peacefully escorted to the headquarters, whereby we are submitting memorandum of demand that we are saying hands off Tata General Mkhonazi.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi sonke siyuthi silana to fight and protect for General Ntatla Mkhonazi njengoba i-justice system ifaila, will protect our future generations.
Sidlulisa ukubonga kuyo yonke youth yaseThekwini ephuma ngobuningi bayo from the likes of Mashu, Onanda, Omlas, Ontuzum, bezosupporta a genuine call to say hands off General Ntatla Mkhonazi.
Also politics, no abaphume kuye because he's fighting a genuine cause of fighting crime in our society.
He is doing well in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. He is fighting corruption, criminals. We are saying all those who are fighting him, they are fighting us as the youth and the future of this country.
Fighter Mandla Ngubane from Net Salsa Preaching, Ward 45. It's Fighter Schofield from TUT.
Fighters team wakwasoka ngisuka ku Ward 28.
Hausikogele malema Tofas Kichi Asnanda Tofas Kichi Asnava Early in the morning Kalispa during dinner time Kalingwa Wawukupiwe Andiva Wawukupiwe.
Njengamanje sesifikile provincial office yamaphoyisa sizosubmit memorandum.
Awodina sayisaba lendawo